Hello and welcome to this introduction to the stock market. In this video, we're going to explain what the stock market is and how you can make money from it. If you're brand new to investing and don't know where to start, this video is for you. So let's get right into it. First of all, what is the stock market? The stock market is a place where people can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When a company decides to go public, it's basically selling a portion of itself to the public. And the buyers of these shares become part owners of the company. Now, before a company can go public, it has to register its shares with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, for short. This registration process is often referred to as an IPO, or initial public offering. Once a company is listed on an exchange, like the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq, its shares can be bought and sold by anyone. Now, there are two ways that you can invest in the stock market. The first way is by using a stockbroker. A stockbroker is a company that allows you to buy and sell shares of stock. Some examples of well-known brokers are Charles Schwab, E*Trade, and Robinhood. Using a broker is the most common way that people invest in the stock market. The second way is by using a robo-advisor. A robo-advisor is a service that uses algorithms to invest your money for you. They typically have a minimum investment requirement, so it is not the best option if you're looking to get started with a small amount of money. Now that you know where you can invest, let's talk about how you can make money. There are three ways to make money in the stock market. The first way is by investing in companies that pay dividends. Dividends are a share of the company's profits that is paid out to shareholders. Not all companies pay dividends, but those that do typically have a long history of doing so. The second way is by investing in companies that increase in value. If you buy shares of a company at one price and it increases to a higher price, then you can sell your shares for a profit. The third way to make money is by investing in companies that you believe will be successful in the future. Even if a company is not profitable today, its shares could still increase in value if investors believe that it will be successful in the future. Now let's talk about some of the risks involved in investing in the stock market. The first risk is that you could lose money. Investing in the stock market is risky, and there is no guarantee that you will make money. In fact, you could lose all of your money. That's why it's important to only invest money that you can afford to lose. The second risk is that the stock market is volatile. The prices of stocks can fluctuate wildly in a short period of time. This means that you could make a lot of money very quickly, but you could also lose a lot of money very quickly. If you can't handle the stress of these ups and downs, then investing in the stock market may not be right for you. The third risk is that it takes time to make money in the stock market. It's not like a get-rich-quick scheme. You won't make a lot of money in a short period of time. In fact, it could take years to see any significant returns. If you're looking for a quick way to make money, then investing in the stock market is not for you. So is the stock market right for you? If you're willing to accept the risks and have a long-term perspective, then yes, the stock market is a great way to invest your money. Now that you know whether or not the stock market is right for you, let's talk about how to get started. First, you need to open an account with a broker. You'll need to provide personal information and make a deposit. Once your account is funded, you can start buying shares of stock. It's important to do your research and only invest in companies that you understand. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket. It's important to diversify your investments. This means that you should invest in a variety of companies across different industries. This will help you to reduce your risk. Finally, be patient. Making money in the stock market takes time. Don't expect to get rich quick. We hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your investing journey.